Join us for another Wiggins auction. This auction will be on Wednesday, June 10th at 10 a.m. Auction will be held at the Spring Hill Suites by Marriott in Enid, Oklahoma. This auction is offered in 2 tracts, with tract number 1 being an outstanding opportunity to purchase an attractive, well-cared-for home with nearly 2,000 square feet of living area situated on 7 more or less acres in the Pioneer School District. The property includes several outbuildings with the option of tract number 2 to purchase with a full quarter section offering productive soils, an equipment hay shed, and small set of corrals. Be sure to take a look. Visit wigginsauctioneers.com for full details, terms, photos, and online bidding.